Have you ever got into network marketing and you didn't have the success that you want and you started to think, man, this might actually be a scam? Well, I am one of those people who thought that network marketing is a scam, and I'm going to share with you in this video the reason why I thought it was a scam and how you can actually start having success within network marketing. Many years ago, I was working as an engineer and I heard about this industry or this business model called network marketing. And when I initially heard of it, basically sharing word of mouth of products or services that you are actually utilizing with your friends and with your family, I was like, man, this is a great opportunity. Like, I can find something that I actually like and I can share that with other people and be able to make money. Like, who wouldn't want to do that? So that's exactly what I started doing. And what I end up discovering is that there were many of people that told me no. My parents, my siblings, cousins, aunts, uncles, everyone that I talked to was telling me no. And I started to think, man, I have such a great product or I have such a great service. And maybe you are even thinking about that you have a great product that you believe in or a service that you believe in. But everyone you talk to is telling you no. Well, here is what I actually discovered about network marketing and why many people think that it's a scam. It is because you are being told the wrong thing about network marketing. People tell you to focus on the product, how good the product is, tell people how good the product is and or your service is, and really the truth be told, nobody cares. Like nobody really cares about how good your product is or how good your service is. And that's not to say that you don't have a good product and that's not to say that you don't have a good service or even a good company. What that actually means is you have to go and you have to find out what it is that people actually desire. For instance, people do not care about your product that is made with all natural ingredients and it's the first of its kind, or you have a service and this is something that's never been done before. No one cares about that. What people actually care about is what is in it for them. So when you are actually going and you are potentially prospecting or offering your product or your service to specific people, you have to focus on what it is that your prospects or that your leads or customers actually want. Now, how is it that you actually do that? Well, the first thing is you must identify who your target audience is. This is something that is not discussed a lot within network marketing, and many people say, hey, go and sell everything, go and offer everything. You may have e-commerce courses, you may have health products, you may have, six or seven health products or six or seven courses or services, and people are saying, hey, go out there and tell people about the company. But really, the truth be told, if you really want to have success, and what I've discovered is you want to focus on selling one product or one service. And that's not to say that you won't eventually get to the point where you're selling multiple products or multiple services, but you want to focus on one product and one service because that's going to allow for you to focus in on your specific target audience. When you're able to focus in on your specific target audience, that is going to allow for you to be able to identify their pain points, what emotions they're dealing with the problem that they have, and you're also going to be able to speak their language. You're going to be able to talk in a way that is going to allow for them to know that you potentially have a solution for a problem that they are struggling with. So now, after you've actually identified your target avatar, what is the next thing that you must do? The next thing that you must do is you need to provide them with a solution that is not your current product or your service. Provide them with a solution, and the way that the solution that I believe is best to actually provide them with, and what I've actually been utilizing, is providing them with a, a informational solution product. Now, with that information solution that you have, that could be an ebook, it could be an audio, it could be short video course or a mini video course as it's called. And this is what's going to allow for you to even build an authority with them. And it allows for you to actually show that you know what you're talking about. Now, going back to actually having the target audience, you once you choose a product or once you choose a service, you may have a product or a service that maybe it helps with multiple things. Like let's say for instance, you have a weight loss product. And let's say that the weight loss products, it helps people with their blood sugar. Let's say it helps them with weight loss. Let's say that it helps them increase their metabolism. You don't want to focus on all three of those at one time. Yes, it's nice that your product does all those different things, but what you want to do is you want to focus on one product. You want to focus on one aspect of the product. So I personally would say that for this specific example, what you want to do is you want to go and you want to focus on one health product and a product that helps people lose weight. And when you are actually focusing on that product, make sure that you actually utilize that product as a quick start to help them on their way. The reason why I say as a quick start to help them on their way or help them achieve the goals that they desire is because that is what the product is going to be utilized as. You're already have your target audience, you're providing them with information on how they can solve their problem, but now your solution, your product or your service is the quick start to actually get them to the results that they desire to get. Say for instance with the weight loss situation, people know that they need for them to lose weight, they need to actually go to the gym, they need to stop eating junk food or eating bad processed foods. However, if you go and you can put that in a unique way in an informational product, whether that's with a checklist, maybe it's a free report, maybe it's an ebook, and you can provide them with quick wins, then you can say, hey, look, here's how you can actually lose weight. You also want to include, your product in there, but don't utilize the name. Do not ever utilize the name of the product that your network marketing company is selling because they own that. And I'll actually do a video training on that a little bit later. But what you want to do is you want to say, hey, let's say it is the top three things that are keeping people from losing weight. Well, first you say maybe you're not getting enough sleep. Two, you're not getting enough exercise. And three, you are not taking any supplements. So the supplement is actually potentially what your product is, but what you will say is the product that I use or the health supplement that I use that has helped me or that has helped so many others, and you keep it as that because that will keep you in the safeguard of not going into any legal issues with your company. So the first thing is focus on a target avatar. The next thing is you want to focus on one product and one solution that the product actually focuses on. Then you want to give out an informational product. And once you give out the informational product, that's when you can move on to the third or the fourth thing, which is providing them with the solution that you have. Now, in later videos, I will be sharing with you how you can actually set this up, how you can utilize it, and how you'll be able to save time in your network marketing business. Because really, the truth be told, especially if you're working a 9 to 5, network marketing is a great opportunity. And I honestly believe that. I believe network marketing, when done right, can be a great opportunity for you to earn some extra income. And if you have the right system, you can have that happening on autopilot while you are at work. So I hope that this video was helpful for you. I hope that you were able to get a lot of value. Comment down below what your biggest takeaway is from this video and what is something that you would like for me to actually expand on. And I will see you all in the next video.